The Oculus Quest is a standalone virtual reality headset that's completely wire-free. It doesn't need a PC or a game console connected to it, or a phone inserted into it to work. Sensors track orientation, motion, and position for 6 degrees of freedom or 6 DOF virtual reality. 2 Oculus touch controllers add 6 DOF motion controls, mimicking your hands. The Oculus Quest shows a 1440 by 1600 image to each eye, higher resolution than the Oculus Rift. It also uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, much more powerful than the Oculus Go's Snapdragon 821. The Oculus Quest launches with several excellent VR games, including Beat Saber and Superhot VR. Playing these games with full motion controls and no wires is incredibly freeing and satisfying. If you want to try out a really immersive VR without dealing with extra hardware, the Oculus Quest is a must-have headset.